So what we're going to be working on today is the lights. You can see in here, I don't want to put the flash on because I don't know if it'll help or do worse, but you can see that there's fogginess. This one is obviously a lot better, but I'm going to use some of this Blue Magic to see if it will help out clean up these lights. So the Blue Magic did okay, but I needed a little bit something more because this is a little bit deeper. It got definitely some of the light haze out, but it left some still behind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this 1500 sandpaper. I'm going to wet sand it very lightly around here. Probably tape off this whole area all around here first. And then we're going to go with a compound. Or I might try this compound I have first a little bit before I even sand it to see if that works. Again, putting a lot of elbow work into it to see if it cuts it down. Here it is. I mean, that Meguiar's compound had a lot more to it, and it did a really great job. It almost looks perfect, except, you know, I come right here and I can still see a little bit there. Now, I'm a perfectionist, so I'm tempting fate here. I mean, here's the really clear one over here, and then here's this one. They're close. They're very close. But I still want to take a little bit of this 1500, wet sand it down very lightly. Let's see what we got. But wow, Meguiar's. I'm super nervous because I went with that 15, but I got into it a little bit. Not too bad, but a lot of wet sanding. It feels super smooth, but it's super cloudy. Now I'm going to apply this compound again, and we're going to see if that compound is going to make what I'm looking for is from like this angle for it to look clearer. And also head on. We'll see what we got. Again, I did 1500. I think you're supposed to do 2000, but I had to cut down a little bit. If all else fails, I'll just go get some 2000 and then even it out nice and easy. So here's the job complete. It looks pretty good. I got maybe just a little bit of haze that way. I might try it one more time, but I'll see. Here's this compared to the new light. The new light, I guess this light was replaced at some point. I mean, it looks pristine, but this isn't too bad. I don't think it's too bad at all. I might go one more try. One more, maybe. Okay, so this is the final job done. I went again and I did another 150 run, 1500 run, compound, buffed really hard, and I can say it did make a lot of difference. It looks pretty good. I mean, is it like brand spanking new? No, but at least it matches the other one. This one's the new one, and it matches this one pretty well. Again, I used the Blue Magic, which didn't do that well. Actually, this Meguiar's Ultra Cut Cream did a really good job after I wet sanded it. And again, just take your time with it. Feel it. Feel the friction. As the friction builds, wet it again. Don't go too deep. And do it in layers. And I think this job turns out pretty well. Alright guys, until next time.